The 7200 is the latest addition to our high-end players. This system is Intel-based and supports the 4th generation of Intel CPUs, also called Haswell. This system is actually a small evolution in our digital engine line, and for the first time we have modified the way the housing is built up. That comes with a couple of advantages. One of them is it has an included dust filter in the housing, and that should come with the standard accessories. This system also has a triple head graphics card, and with the help of Intel's Collage, you can span the desktop over all 3 screens. These are all the product specifications. Well, as mentioned, it supports the 4th generation of mobile Intel CPUs with a maximum TDP of 37 watts. It can support up to 16 gigabytes of DDR3 RAM. It can hold one 2.5-inch HDD or SDD. And there is a connector available on the back of the system to connect an external power switch. And also this system is equipped with a watchdog timer. On the bottom left, you already see the connector for the external power switch. It's actually a first on our digital engines to have that available externally. Next to that, we see the power plug. Then we have the display ports and display port and 2 HDMI ports. Then we've got 2 eSATA USB combo ports. Then we've got 2 USB 3 ports, again the blue color. And above that we have the network port. Then we've got the 2 audio ports, microphone in and audio out. And next to that the RS-232 port, well, aka COM port. And here again 2 punch-out holes for the antennas. Most likely the mass production version will have the rubber plugs there as well. And then just above the power plug, there's an option to mount the power plug retainer, which is a small metal bracket. On the front of this system, we've got 2 USB 2 ports. We've got the power button with a power LED. And separate from that, we have an HDD LED and a CPU alert LED, which really is a new feature. So once there's something wrong with the fan, which actually hardly ever happens, but just in case, then we have a LED to show you that something is wrong with it. Well, a look inside this brand new system. First again, the CPU socket. Then the memory module sockets. We've got here 1 full mini card slot and 1 half-size mini card slot. Then we've got a new connector, and this is actually the SATA connector, and that also has the power integrated with it. Here again, a number of extra pin headers. For instance, for the internal USB devices. 1 for the reset button. And we've got an internal speaker pin header, amongst other things. Unfortunately, I do not have the power consumption figures available yet, but instead I will line up some of the key features. It supports the 4th generation of mobile Intel Core CPUs with a maximum TDP of 37 watts. It supports the latest version of Intel AMT, which at the moment is version 9, And the only difference with the previous one, so with version 8, is that they added a graceful shutdown. The system can drive 3 independent Full HD displays. And then with use of Intel's Collage, you can span the desktop over all 3 displays. And this is actually our first system that we can call 4K or Ultra HD compliant. So that's one full 4K display. And as part of the new housing, we have included an integrated dust filter to reduce maintenance and to prolong lifetime even more in certain conditions.